Hi everybody, this is Sol with Sol Sister Polish, and I'm going to show you how I apply one strip and two nails. First you want to clean your nails with the pre-pad. Gonna do that. I already did the rest of my nails, so just gonna do this one real quick. So first you want to take off the first layer, which is plastic, the protector cover, then the polish from the wax paper. I like to put it right back in the wax paper, and then I want to put it close to the skin but not on top of the skin. And then I'm going to start patting or massaging from the bottom to the top and kind of like pushing down or back from the nail, so it also attaches to the tip of the nail. And then with my thumbnail I'm gonna push behind the nail gently to cut it, like so. There you go. And then I'm gonna grab the rest and I'm going to remove the end, this part, and then I'm gonna use this other end and another nail. I don't use scissor to cut or anything. Massage, massage, massage down on the top and push behind the nail. Like this is so easy. And if you have any leftover on the top, you can always pass the nail file in one direction. There you go.